Hey guys, this is Basant here, and might be possible you have a e-commerce site, you have a branded site, or you are selling something. Then you have the audience that needs the support or the help. Either what you can do, you can just set up a manual support team, or you can just set up a AI here. So in this video, I'm going to show you such a good AI tool that is the really good alternative to the intercom, and the best part, it is also going to offer the AI agents, and this is the Omnichannel. Whether your audience is asking support on the Telegram, WhatsApp, Facebook, Viber, or even on your WhatsApp, this AI agent is going to answer all those places for your audience, and that way you are going to just efficient and the minimize the support team with just one AI agent here. So in this video, I'm going to show you everything. For example, I have just set up this AI chatbot on my website, and simply I have to click here for the asking the support, and it has the two options available. First one, whether it can go with the AI voice agent that the people can talk, or they can just ask the help with the text here. For example, I have asked the what are the best deals right now. It has just asked my name and the email address for the capturing the lead, and after that has given me the this details here. If I refresh the page here, you can see within just instantly after set the opening my website, this thing will be the available on the this right corner here. Okay, and here is the voice chat. If I click here, I can just able to talk with the voice AI agent here. So in this video, I will show you how you can set up. I will give you detail all the features overview, but before that, let me talk about this amazing platform that is the IntelSwift. Right now is available on the app Sumo, starting from the just $69. Yes, you have to pay the just one time of the $69, and you can get all the features I'm going to show you right now. Manage all the messages and the support on this single platform. You can just launch the omni-channel support, whether it's for your website, the WhatsApp, the Telegram, the Facebook, or the Viber. All these chats you can handle, or your AI agent can handle in the one platform, that is the IntelSwift. Okay, then you can also launch the AI voice agent that is going to talk with your audience and give them support here. So we have the 3-tier plans available. Single tier plan is only going to give you the one AI agent. That is not going to sufficient for you. Let me tell you that, because after testing it, I have found out that I need multiple AI agents. That's why I suggest go at least with the tier 2 plan, because that will be the sufficient and give you all the access like this vertical AI agent and some of the this Swift AI Copilot here. Okay, and this is really important, and if you want all these features as well, you have to go with the tier 3 plan. So I am also giving out the free bonuses along with this lifetime deal that you will find out in the description or in the pinned comment, so make sure you check them out. Now let me go to the IntelSwift, and this is how its platform look like once you got the sign in the platform after buying the lifetime deal here. Okay, so first we are going to set up the workspace. So this is the workspace, and you can see I have already created a workspace with the name of Horizon, and here I'm going to describe the description, the business hour, all this stuff, and giving the kind of the details here. Okay, this is the summary of this account or the workspace. This is the team members. If you have any, you can add them here, and this is the subscription. So basically this is going to get you the buying the platform because you haven't get the LTD, but if you have given LTD, you don't need to go with here. Now we will go to the home page, and now we will go to this one, that is the chat option. So once you have set up the things, your chat will start appearing up here. But let me tell you how you are going to install and set up your AI agent for your website or the WhatsApp or the Telegram here. So we will go to this one, that is this AI kind of the icon here. We will go here and we will create our first AI agent. Okay, so I have already created, so this is how it's look like. So this AI agent will be trained on the different stuff, whether you have the text, file, docs, or the website URL. My favorite one or the easiest one I have found it is the website URL. Simply paste your website URL here. Okay, and after that it will be trained for your website data. For example, you can see my website has more than the 26,000 characters data available, and based on my website data, it is trained right now here. You can now ask the things with the data you have just trained it here, and this will give you the test that everything working good or not. Then we have also the missing data that you can add manually. This is the workflow. Suppose this is the starting your chat or the message, how the workflow goes on, you can control it here. This is the configuration. Now I have just set up the text workflow for the chatting. I want to also set up a voice AI agent here. So you can see this is the voice AI agent I have also added. If any of the support want to chat with the voice or talk with the customer support, okay, so this is how you will do it here. So in the voice, we will go to the selecting the any language here. So I have selected the English language. I am going to set up the AI voice agent in the this language here. So I will select here and click here and here, okay, and now it is selected. If I click here on the save, now this voice agent is set up here talking with. If you want to preview how this sound like, just click here, you will get the preview. Okay, now I want to add this the chat or the AI agent we have created on my website. So how I will do that, simply go to the last option here and you will see this is the web messenger. If you haven't seen any web messenger here, you have to click here on the add channel. You have to select the web messenger, means the website messaging AI chatbot here. Okay, then after that you have to select the AI agent that you have just created. Okay, so once you have done that, this is how it will start showing up. Click here, and now this is the setup. You have to first add the website on which you want to show this AI agent, and then you must enable the sub pages, means all the website pages this AI chatbot will be the start appearing. So once you have done that, you will get this script code. You have to simply copy the script code, get to your website footer part and paste the code here, and now boom, this AI voice chat or the text chat will be the start appearing on your website. That's how it is, really easy. Now let me show you how you can add this AI agent for your WordPress, Facebook, Viber, or even for the Telegram here. So for example, I have set up the WhatsApp, Telegram, or the Messenger. Okay, so let me show you how you can do that. So I'm going to get with the Facebook here. So simply select the Facebook Messenger here and click select the AI agent that you have just trained with your AI. Click here on the create, and now it will show you all the steps that you need to follow here, and after that it will be connected. Okay, same thing you have to do with the Telegram, Facebook, Viber here. Now suppose you have selected this time the WhatsApp, so simply click here on the WhatsApp, and now it will give you all the steps that you need to follow to connect with your WhatsApp here. Okay, and that's how you have just created all the channels for the marketing support for your brand or for your services. Right now I have only connected with the Facebook and the Telegram here. That's why this is the two options showing up along with my WordPress site here. Okay, so this is the Telegram I have just connected, and now you can also monitor and manage all of your chats in this chat options button here. Okay, somehow if you got any calls, voice talking, this is also going to transcribe it in the text format. So this is the really good thing. Okay, so this is how you are going to create and set up your AI agent for the omni-channel platforms like your website, the Telegram, the Facebook, your Viber. All this platform you are going to create and manage. And not only that, we have also the other integrations available. Okay, so this is all the AI agents right now also available. Okay, for example, this AI agent is especially dedicated for the support tickets with past resolutions, suggest solution to the agents. This one is including the OpenAI Chat GPT. This one is includes the Sheet, Slack, and the email, and then we have the other AI agents as well. So if you want to install these AI agents as well, because this is the pre-built, simply click here, and now it will show you all the installation steps or the instructions that you need to follow. Okay, and after that this AI agent will be installed for you working with your trained AI data here. Okay, so the platform is really advanced yet so simple to use. All you need to one platform to train the data. Like in my case, it was my website. I have just given the URL and the AI is trained with all of my data here, and after that you can install it for your WordPress, Telegram, Viber, or the Messenger, Facebook. Okay, and now you can use anywhere. That's how simple it is, and I have given you detailed overview, yet the tutorial or the demo here. So make sure you enjoyed this video, then hit the like button and subscribe this channel to stay updated. And if you want to check it out, this lifetime deal, the link will be given in the description along with the free bonuses I am giving out. So make sure you also check that out. Bye bye, take care, and I will see you in the next one.